Hello. Excuse me. I need help, please.
Of course, sir. How can I help you today?
My suitcase did not arrive with my flight.
I see. Can you tell me your flight number?
Yes, it was flight 726 from Madrid.
Thank you. When did the flight arrive?
It landed about 1 hour ago.
Okay. Did you check the baggage carousel?
Yes, I waited, but my bag never came.
Can you describe your suitcase for me?
Yes, it is black, medium size, with a red tag.
Does it have any special marks or stickers?
Yes, there is a sticker with my name, John Smith.
Great. Do you have the baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here it is. Please take a look.
Thank you. I will enter the details into the system.
Do you think the bag is lost forever?
Not usually. Most bags are found within 24 hours.
That is good news. What happens now?
We will track your suitcase with the number on the tag.
Will you call me when you find it?
Yes, we will call or email you immediately.
Perfect. Can you deliver it to my hotel?
Yes, we can send it directly to your hotel.
Wonderful. I am staying at the City Center Hotel.
Please write the address and your phone number here.
Okay, here you go. This is my mobile phone.
Thank you. We will contact you as soon as possible.
I hope it does not take too long.
Don't worry. We will try our best to find it quickly.
Thank you for your help. You have been very kind.
You are welcome. Safe travels and enjoy your stay.
I feel better now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a good day.
Join our community. Like, comment your favorite phrase, and subscribe for daily dialogues.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our cafe. How can I help you?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like milk or sugar with it?
Yes. A little milk. No sugar.
Okay, one medium hot coffee with milk. Anything else?
Do you have croissants?
Yes, we do. Would you like one?
Yes, please.
Great. One coffee and one croissant. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. The total is €3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you need a receipt?
No, that's okay.
Here's your coffee and your croissant.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Join our community. Like, comment your favorite phrase, and subscribe for daily dialogues. And remember to download the free support material in the description to keep practicing.
Hi, excuse me. Sorry to bother you, but do you know which bus goes to the airport?
Oh, hi. No problem at all. Yes, the airport bus is number 25.
Number 25? Great. Does it leave from this stop?
Yes, it does. The stop is just across the street, near the coffee shop.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much. I'm always nervous about catching the wrong bus.
I understand. Traveling can be stressful. Are you flying somewhere far?
Yes, I'm going to London for a conference. What about you?
I'm actually just waiting for the city bus, but I've taken the airport bus many times.
That's good to know. Do you happen to know how long the ride is?
Usually around 40 to 45 minutes, depending on traffic.
Okay, that sounds manageable. My flight is at 3 p.m. Do you think I'll have enough time?
What time is it now?
It's almost 11 o'clock.
Oh, then you're perfectly fine. You'll arrive at the airport more than 2 hours before your flight. That's plenty of time to check in.
Phew, that's a relief. Do you know how much the bus ticket costs?
Yes, it's about €6. You can pay the driver directly or buy a ticket at the machine over there.
Perfect. I'll get one at the machine so I don't have to worry later.
Good idea. By the way, the buses usually come every 20 minutes, so you shouldn't wait too long.
That's great. Honestly, I was afraid I'd have to take a taxi, and those are so expensive.
True. The bus is much cheaper, and it's comfortable too.
Thank you so much for your help. You've saved me a lot of stress.
You're very welcome. I hope you have a smooth flight and a great trip.
Thanks, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Safe travels.